The best kitchen stool helper for kids. Toddler step stools are also known as kitchen helper stools or towers because our kiddos love to help in the kitchen. Some just love hanging out to see what their parents are up to. It includes the whole family in meal prep, teaches useful skills, develops early interests in food and healthy eating, and eases the stress of keeping little ones entertained while you work. But when a young child needs to reach the countertop, safety concerns arise. That's where a good learning tower comes in, as it can be an excellent way for young children to reach various heights without the same worries of falling from a step stool. Below, find the best learning towers for toddlers. Number 1. Best Overall Learning Tower, Little Partners Kids Learning Tower Step Stool. This model is believed to be the original learning tower created, and the brand now carries varying models of learning towers. Designed by a Montessori school educator, the learning tower lifts your baby to the kitchen counter height to encourage interaction and togetherness between children and parents. The step stool supports up to 250 pounds and adjusts to 4 different heights to grow with your child, encouraging independence throughout their childhood. Safety rails, handholds, and rounded edges offer additional security. A 4-sided open frame with 2 steps for easy climbing helps toddlers to climb in and out by themselves, building confidence and independence. Pros: 4 adjustable heights. Optional easel and chalkboard. Grows with a child from toddler years through childhood. Cons: large footprint. Can't fold away for easy storage. Number 2. Best Value Learning Tower, Simplay 3 Toddler Tower Children's Step Stool. Made of plastic, this learning tower is easy to transport and generally easy to clean. It doesn't take up too much space, so it's good for apartments or smaller homes. Our lab experts found that it was easy to assemble and noted that it's at a fairly low price point compared to its competitors. It can adjust to 3 heights and at its lowest, can be stowed away under island counters after use. The tower platform grows with your child and adjusts to 3 heights 18, 15, and 12 inches. 34.5-inch height allows for storage under island counters when not in use. Supports up to 60 pounds. Pros: 3 adjustable heights. Good for smaller spaces. Cons: plastic construction means it only supports a smaller weight capacity. Number 3. Best Learning Tower for Smaller Spaces, Classic Kitchen Helper Stool. During testing, Rothman loved the folding capabilities of this hardwood and hard plywood unit, which makes it a great option for smaller spaces. This learning tower is height adjustable at 3 varying levels so it can grow with your child. It's also available in an array of colors and style options. The included non-slip mat and 2 kitchen helper keepers, aka safety nets, help provide additional security. Ages 2 and up and weight limit, 125 pounds. Pros: 3 adjustable heights. Includes a non-slip mat. Folds away for easy storage. Cons: the open sides are complexes. Number 4. Best Learning Tower with Activity Center, Little Partners, Limited Edition Learning Tower Step Stool. This model was designed by a Montessori educator and hails from a top brand that manufactures learning towers. This limited edition unit features removable panels, so parents have more control over the enclosure levels around their children. Also included is an activity center for kids to draw, scribble, and practice their letters and numbers. Ages 18 months and up and weight limit, 250 pounds. Number 5. KidzWerks Kitchen Step Stool. This stool's adjustable platform can be put at 2, 16, or 20 inches to accommodate your kitchen helper's height. It also comes with 4 anti-slip pads for safety. Made of birchwood plywood, the child standing tower toddler step stool is strong and sturdy. Tower dimensions: 36 by 19.5 by 16.5 inches. The wood toddler step stool is the perfect height for your kitchen counter. Not too bulky. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, does check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our call products, as it will make your life much easier.